Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama, abelungu namabhunu had a problem, and South African Social Security Agency was the only solution. 80% of South Africa igcwele abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo. That's why uSASSA was created, ukusiza abantu abamnyama baxoshe ikati eziko. uSASSA provides imali to ogogo, it provides imali to ingane. Khona kuzokwazi ukuthi kuthengwe izinto eziyi-need endlini. uSASSA went as far as to create i-SRD fund enika abantu aba-unemployed imali, leyo madlana encane khona bazokwazi ukusurvive, because we all know ukuthi emhlabeni njengamanje imali is everything, and without imali ungalamba. But unfortunately, sekukhona osomathuba who are taking advantage of system that was meant ukusiza umuntu omnyama. And labantu bayayidla imali yabantu abamnyama. uSASSA is very crucial to South African economy. Ngo-2023, uSASSA wadistributor imali engango-200 million to abantu more than 18 million throughout South Africa. This includes ama-pensioners, i-child support, i-disability fund. That means baningi abantu who need this money. Kodwa you would be amazed ukuthi because of fraud, corruption, mismanagement yama-funds, lo 200 million awufiki wonke ebantwini abamnyama. Lo 200 million awufiki ekutheni usize wonke umuntu eSouth Africa. Ngo-2012, uhulumeni wakhipha itender worth u-50 million, waqasha ikhampani thizeni ukuthi isebenzisane noSASSA through cash payment services. Leyo CPS was meant ukuthi bazohamba baye kuma-township ethu, it's either bazoba sehholo langakini noma bazoba segroundini. Kodwa wena uyafika nekhadi lakho labaSASSA, ubanike, you punch iphini, and then bakunika imali yakho cash. To only realize ukuthi kulo 50 million every month leyo company thizeni yayikhipha imali engango-2.5 million ifake ephaketheni layo. That means over 25% of abantu babeba nenkinga with ama-payment abo. It's either imali ifike ingaphelele noma it's either kuthiwa imali ayingenanga, which is not true, because imali ingenile. Ngo-2021 khona icase ya 260 million